How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the new 4K dual dash cam that I just bought from Amazon. We're going to do unboxing and we're going to check out this product. So now let's get started. So I'm looking for a camera to replace the dash camera I have on the MDX. And I'm looking for something affordable, 4K, and also dual dash camera because I want to see the interior of my car in case somebody broke into my car. At least I have proof what happened when somebody stole something inside my car. So this is what I found. This is so far the most affordable 4K dual dash cam I found on Amazon. So this is the DC17 dash camera. We're gonna do an unboxing, and also at the end of the video I'm gonna show you some footage if the quality of the video is any good. So now let's continue to the unboxing. Made in China. Parking monitor, 170-degree wide angle, G sensor lock, manual, quick user guide, so this is the camera. "4K Ultra HD." He has about an inch and a half screen. Power cable, so it plugs into your cigarette lighter plug. So you have another cable here in case you want to download the footage to your PC. Plastic pry tool, and some wire clips with the adhesive on the back. This one is the suction cup mounting. If you wanna use this to stick it to your windshield instead of the double-sided tape, so you have a suction mount. So here's another bracket to install the camera on your windshield. So this is a double-sided tape. So you have two options. You want to use a double-sided tape, or you want to use a suction cup. It's up to you. And that's it. So the dash cam comes with the 64GB micro SD card already installed, but you can upgrade this to something more faster. So I don't know the speed of this micro SD, but it's up to you. But for now I'm gonna use this. Maybe it's a good card, I don't know, we'll see. They have 5 buttons here: screen, power button, OK, menu. You have the microphone here, micro SD slot. So this camera you can rotate to see the cabin, and this pointing to the front of the windshield. So this camera has a 4K resolution at the front camera and 1080p for the cabin camera. And it has a new CMOS sensor with an aperture of f1.8 that gives you good picture quality even on light or dim settings. Also, it has an infrared vision for night driving and also inside the cabin camera. It has a wide angle on the front camera. So the front camera is 170-degree field of vision, and the back camera for the interior cabin is 140-degree field of vision. Also, it has a 24-hour parking protection, so if you park outside, somebody bump your car, it's gonna record automatically. Or if somebody break into your car, it's gonna record automatically, so you're gonna see what happened if somebody broke into your car or somebody hit your car while you park outside. So it also has a loop recording when your micro SD card is full, and also has a G-lock sensor to lock the video where you have the incident of hit and run or collision. And you know what, like I showed you before, there's 2 kinds of mounting. You can mount it on the suction cup or the double-sided tape. And it comes, like I showed you before, 64GB of memory card, which is a pretty good deal. So now let's check the footage. So guys, if you're interested in this camera, I'm gonna put down the link on the description down below. And also, if you like the video, please give this video a like. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and now we'll see you on the next one.
Like a drug that I just can't deny.